Shiva was the one who drank this poison. He kept the poison here, right here, the throat. When throat center is activated, the nectar starts to flow in the body. Your each words becomes divine power. When you inhale, mentally you are chanting, so exhale. The secret of eternal youth, vitality, and divine glow does not lie in any medicines or any modern therapy. It is right here, the throat center. Do you remember the story when there was a Samudra Manthan between Devas and Asuras, and then the nectar came out from the ocean and the poison also came out from the ocean? So everyone wanted to get the nectar, but when the poison came from the ocean, no one wanted to drink. And the Shiva was the one who drank this poison, but he didn't allow this poison till navel. He kept the poison here, right here, the throat, and that's why his throat became blue. And because of that, one of the name is Neelakant. Kant means throat, the one who is having blue throat because of the poison stuck here. So this place is very, very important in yoga. This place called Vishuddhi Center means the center which is purified, means anything can be purified by activating this point. It holds the nectar of immortality. In our today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the practice to activate Vishuddhi Chakra, which is also help you to kill all the poison from your body and energetically channelize the energy all around the body. According to the yogic science, when throat center is activated, the nectar start to flow in the body. Means the person who have activated throat, his body doesn't get sick. Actually, the nectar which drops down from the crown of the consciousness, it settle in Vishuddhi. So Vishuddhi activation is also very important because it helps you to hold the nectar, means the essence of life. When Vishuddhi, when the throat is activated, your each words becomes divine power. So let's learn one practice how to activate Vishuddhi Chakra and how to kill all the sickness, inner distraction, inner blockages, how to open through this practice. Without a proper guidance, whatever practice you do still stays incomplete. Therefore, I want to invite you to join our regular online live classes, which can help you to understand the practice correctly, which can help you to correct your posture, which can help you to correct your breathing, which can help you correct the mental patterns. Grow spiritually, stay healthy. I will be sharing the link in description. You can join us and start your yogic journey. So there are two practices that you must do to activate your Vishuddhi in the beginning. The first practice is called Ujjayi breath. Normally in asana practice, we exhale with a sound like that, like a throat sound, exhalation when you are contracting the glottis, and then with that contraction you are allowing your breath to rub to the surface here, which creates a sound. But in activation, inhalation plays very important role. So now what you have to do is 15 breaths every morning. You sit when you go for bed also at that time, so morning and evening, before you go to bed and after you wake up. This is what you have to do. Contract the glottis, sitting straight in any comfortable position, whether you are on bed or on mat. Place doesn't matter, position doesn't matter, just the spine should be straight. Now you are contracting the throat and inhaling with that contraction, creating the sound like that. As you inhale, you may feel a little cooling effect here. In the beginning, few days, you may not feel very comfortable to do this technique because it's not very easy. It's not very common for us to do inhalation with sound. So sometimes you may feel cough, or sometimes you may feel very itching sensation, tingling also. Do not worry, just keep doing and master this technique. And then exhalation the same way. With closed eyes, you are concentrating as if you are breathing through the throat. Like that. When you inhale, mentally you are chanting, so exhale, hum, so hum. This becomes a meditation also, breathing meditation or soham meditation. With that sound, 10-15 rounds, you are doing one set. If you are After few days, once you feel comfortable, go for 1 to 2 minutes every day, regular practice. This is the first practice. The second practice comes after you clean all the bowel. If you are practicing in the morning, after cleaning, doing all the shaucha, cleansing, taking bath, coming to yoga practice, and at the end of your yoga practice, you will do the second technique, sitting straight. Simply, you will inhale, you will exhale, and while exhaling, you drop the chin. And when you drop the chin, try to bring your chin in this. Can you see the gap between the two bones here? So try to touch this here strongly. And now you are breathing the same way as you are breathing without touching the chin. That is quite intense, but it will be mastered once you will master the previous technique. And the same way, 3 to 4 minutes you are practicing same Ujjayi by pressing the chin. Like that. So these two techniques, once you will do, after few days of the practice, few changes you will notice first. The first thing you will notice that the confidence will come. Second thing you will notice that all sickness and heaviness and any kind of impurities that your body is holding, negative energy or fear you are having, you become very strong with your inner core. Positivity will increase. Your aura, the prana shakti, the pranic body also expands in this pranayam. So many benefits. This is the ancient tantric practice, hatha yoga practice, which is performed by many yogis to get the power in prana, get the power on life. How Shiva is holding the poison, not allowing this poison to ruin the body, not allowing this poison to disturb the whole body. Still, poison is still there. He is in the poison, but body is performing very well into meditative state. Similarly, you also can achieve that. Try, write me in comment if you can do this technique. Otherwise, I will modify and I will see you again in next video. Namaste.